Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your unrecognized USB drive on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. So you can see it's showing up under here for volume E, but if yours is not, go down to search and just type in create and format hard disk partitions right here. And then open this up and expand it. Now you should be able to see your disk under here. So disk 1, this is my USB. Now what we can do under here is just right click on this and then we can go to delete volume and go to yes. And now this is going to get rid of all the information off of there. And then you can right click on there again. So you can see this is all on allocated space and go to new simple volume and then go to the right and go to next. Then we can assign the volume size, the drive letter, and then the file system. So maybe you had an improper file system for whatever you're trying to use. So if you're on Xbox, you're trying to use exFAT for recording videos or something like that, it's not going to work. Make sure it's the correct file system. I believe PlayStation 5 uses exFAT. So I'm just going to go to NTFS, then going to go to finish. Now, after you do this, it should show up on your computer. So just make sure you're restarting your computer and you have everything up to date as well. So you can see it's popping open now for volume D. I can see it under here. Now, another thing that we can try is going down to search. So let's go to power options. And we can go to edit power plan. Open this up and go to change advanced power settings. And this is probably going to be more for your laptop, but we can go down to USB settings, open this up, and then it says USB selective suspend settings. So if you have this enabled, it's probably going to be suspending your USB from time to time. So just go to disabled for both of these options, and I'll go to apply. Then let's go on down to search and type in device manager. Open this up, find it, and let's go to universal serial bus controllers. And go through each one of these and just go to update driver, search automatically. You can do search for updates with Windows updates down here as well. And just make sure these are up to date and you should be good to go. It looks like the best drivers are already installed on my computer. But for me, usually just going through the disk management option does indeed work for me. So you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling these under here. It says uninstall device, then just scan for hardware changes and it should be showing up once again. And then you can just reinstall it and update the driver. So very simple to do. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.